Alright, here we are, March 28th, 2024. Once again, the F-250 4.96 L or L6. And this is the fuel return line. In my hand here, of course, is the tool, the plug. The one thing they never show you on any of these cleaning videos, I don't think anybody knows this exists, but this plugs the line coming back out of the rail. See that line right there? Take that out, you put this in there. Hopefully we'll be able to get it back out. We'll put a little oil on this first, hang on. And there it goes, it's in there. I just clicked it on, you didn't hear the click, but it's in there, it won't come back off. I have to use the tool to get that back off. So now, let's try starting it up and see if it's gonna do anything. I don't know. If this doesn't work, we're gonna be pulling the top plenum off of the engine here. So let's just see what happens. Oh, get a wasp in here. Yeah. Ooh, jeez. All right, got rid of him. Ooh, smells like it's leaking. Hang on. Uh-oh. That smells like a lot of gas. Oh shit, that cup. Ooh, yeah. That plug pop out of there? Oh yeah, it sure did. I didn't have it locked in apparently. So that... Alright, so learning from our past mistakes, the thing did click on there, but you're going to want to put the safety clip on that. If you can see down in there where the... No, you can't there. So I put the safety clip on this time. Let's try her one more time. Did seem like it was running okay for a second there. It doesn't hiccup when you step on the gas. Still not quite perfect, but definitely very responsive with the pedal, that's for sure. All right, the camera's still on. I reattach the lines. Let's see what happens here. Not the smoothest startup ever, but might have had a little air bubble in it. Yeah, still pretty rough. Yep, it ain't there. Nope. I like that full pressure though.